Hi, this is Tiki. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today we are going to do a Temu haul. I have two separate orders that I'm going to haul together, but these were my first orders. I kind of wanted to see what the website was about. I have not opened up the packages and gone inside of them yet, so we're going to see what this stuff looks like together. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing in the order was this spa bundle. It's the little things that go on your wrist when you wash your face. It also comes with a headband. So I wanted this because I tend to wash my face and then I have water running all down my arms. So I got this to help with that. I really don't need the headband. I just really need the wrist. But the price was so good that I couldn't resist getting it. So. Next up is a strainer. I do a lot of juicing, and sometimes even though my juicer is really good about taking all of the pulp out, it does leave a little bit and you'll see a little foam at the top. So this is something I could put over top of my bottles or my jar and just filter through it and get that nice smooth juice that I like. Next up is the apple slicer. I had one that I got from Walmart years ago, but it broke. So I needed another one because this makes cutting apples so daggone easy. You just put it on top of the apple, push down, and it slices it into those little sections. And then the middle part is where the core goes. So it's just so easy and convenient. Next up are the liners for a gas stove. You can see where it has to insert where it goes around it. I cook a lot of stuff that splatters all over my stove. So I thought this might be good and easier for cleanup. I can just pull it out, wipe it down, and put it back in. Next up is shapewear. This is a strapped bodysuit that slims you. I'll put the picture in so you can see what that looks like up close. Okay, so this is a splash guard. It comes folded in half, but you simply open it up. You put it around your sink and it keeps the back of your sink clean. So that way it's less mess. It collects all the water for you. The last thing in this order, which I'm actually most excited about, I know it sounds crazy, but I'm most excited about the air fryer liners because the liners I had before were the round ones and my air fryer is actually square. So I'm looking forward to using these and not having to use parchment paper anymore. Yeah, I've been using parchment paper since I ran out of the last ones, but these are, I believe they're 50 in this pack, and they were dirt cheap. Like I said, I'll show everything along with the price so that you can take a look at it. All right, so let's start with the second order. The first thing in this order is going to be a tray of lashes. These were a reasonable price considering how many pairs of lashes did you get. I believe it's 20 pairs of lashes on this tray. So this was definitely a good buy. I don't like the big crazy looking lashes. These are more wispy, so definitely like these. Next up were these erasers. Now you could get these from your beauty supply store, but they were actually cheaper to get on Temu. I think they were like 89 cents. I'll put the price up for sure, but I grabbed these because they were cheaper than it cost me to get them at the regular store. This crazy looking thing is actually a pot strainer. I really actually need it now because I'm making some pasta, but you just put it over top of your pot and then strain it out. So this keeps your noodles and everything from falling into your sink. So yeah, that's what this is for. I'm like, I know you're like, what? Okay, so this is hilarious. My daughter is going to fall out. When my grandson was a baby, I bought him this saying and a onesie. So now that he's 5, I said, let me get him an actual t-shirt. And it says, be careful what you say to me. My grandma is crazy and I'm not afraid to tell on you. So this is a little cleaner for my ear pods. They have been in my purse, so they've gotten a little dirty. They have crumbs and stuff in them. So this is a little brush that goes in and cleans inside of it. And then you can pick everything out and then you kind of can go down inside of the case and clean the case out too. So I saw this and I definitely had to have it because my AirPods need a cleaning. All right, so the next thing is an air freshener clip for your car. So you have this little elephant, you put the back on it to clip it in, and you put it on your vent, and then it comes with a little pack of the actual air freshener inside of it. I ordered this one for me, but there's another one that's in the shape of a purse that I want to order for my daughter, but I wanted to order one for me first to see if it actually works before I order it for her, because I have to send it all the way to Virginia. You know, I'm in Atlanta. All right, so next we have another pack of lashes. This is the smaller pack. This is actually for my daughter. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger. than the first pair that I pulled out, the first tray. So these are definitely for her. She likes those big butterfly looking lashes. So yeah, I got these for her. Okay, so my daughter thinks I'm crazy for this purchase. I actually have the all black version. So I wanted this one because it was pink. So it's cute. It's cute. It's a Bass Pro Shop hat. Like I said, I have a black one already, but I just couldn't resist the pink one. It definitely feels different than the authentic ones. So I'm still gonna wear it though. So this is the last thing in that second package. This was my first Temu haul. I know I got a little bit of everything. Things for house, things for me. Yeah, it's a little bit of everything. I just wanted to try the different categories to see what they all look like. I hope you enjoyed it. If you ordered from them before, tell me what you got, or recommend some products that I should check out next time. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.